Welcome to today's video. In the previous video, we looked at how we find the circumference given the diameter of a circle without the use of a calculator. Did you visit the video? If so, I would love to know your thoughts about the video. Alright, so in today's video, we will give the solutions. So the first question is, we'll be required to draw a line AB that is 30 millimeters long and bisect it. Alright? Now, do you recall how to bisect a given line? No? Yes? Alright, we'll see in a little while. Alright, we're gonna see the principles for the answer in the video today. Alright? Thanks for joining us. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will bisecting a given line. Now, in the previous video, we looked at isometric projection. And in today's video, we are doing a different topic. All right, we're doing geometrical construction, and we're looking at how we bisect a given line. So here we have a line AB that is 300 millimeters long, and we're asked to bisect it, right? So the first thing we're going to do is draw the given line AB, which is 300 millimeters long. Sorry, so we're going to select our line, and this must be 300. Enter. All right, so here we have a given line AB, and the length is 300 millimeters long. All right, now what you're gonna let us label the line. All right, so here we have labeled the line AB, and what we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw an arc with center A. Right, so you would put your compass at A, and any radius greater than half the length of the line. Half the length of the line, you would mark an arc going around, okay? All right. Now we're gonna do the same thing at B, and we'd use the same radius, okay? So center B, radius equal to the same radius that you used before to draw the arc from A. Good. Where the two arcs intersect, you're gonna draw a line from the intersection. All right, so here's our bisector, and we're gonna label it now, okay? All right, so here we have labeled the bisector, and this line is a bisector. Now, when you are learning to draw, the first principle that they normally teach you is how to bisect a given line. So, just to recap, here we have a line AB, and it was 300 millimeters in length, right? What we did, we mark an arc with a radius greater than half the length of the line to give us this arc. Then at B, the same radius, we mark an arc. Where the two arcs intersect, the line drawn through the intersection of the two arcs, that's a bisector. Okay? All right, let me show you how, let us label this line, right? Good. Then we're going to label it bisector. Right, so the bisector is a first principle that they're teaching in a drawing course, right, such as a technical drawing course or a similar related course. And it is used to do many other different things, right? So if you have a triangle, for example, and you want to draw a circumscribed circle to the triangle, you would bisect any two sides of the triangle, and where the two bisectors intersect, that will be the center for the circle that would pass through the 3 points um, 3 points on the corners of the triangle. All right, so there is a finished product or the finished drawing. Good job if you completed the drawing. And this brings us to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. In the next video, as I had promised you in the previous video, we'll be looking at the um, conic section. All right. So good job if you follow the principles and you drew your drawing. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So take care until we meet again. Bye.